Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Let's just say this stock is in a very interesting spot, and we have to break it down as we're heading into this brand new week. So, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe as always, and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Listen to this deal, man. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best deal on the market right now. So check out that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/moo. Get your free stocks, guys. It's free money. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So Tesla has been, let's just say, quite the roller coaster ride as of late, from them missing on their delivery numbers to the robo-taxi event to earnings that just came out. Man, we've had news event after news event after news event just smacking Tesla all around, right? And we are now trading at $248 per share, and you guys can see on the 10-day 30-minute chart, man, we went from 212 to 273. Now we're down at 248. This is all in the last week pretty much. And on the 20-day chart, you guys can see even more volatility. Before earnings, we were at 250. We got down at 212. Like I said, we popped to 273, and now we're at 248. This stock has been all over the place, right? And on this 1-hour chart, we're noticing a golden cross, which is good for the bulls, and we're noticing we've had a couple days of selling in a row here, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days of selling after we had the big move after earnings. So this could just simply be weak hands being shaken out, and we're at a pretty critical spot on the charts now, right? You can see on the 1-hour time frame, we are above the 180 SMA, and it looks like here we are above the highs from early October. Early October, we were failing at about 245, 250 generally, and now as of close Friday, we closed above that point. Old resistance, we closed above it as a new support. And again, we're above the 180 SMA here on the 1 hour. So for the bulls, guys, it is ideal that they hold this spot. This spot right here for the bulls is very critical at 245 to 250, right? Ideally, we get a pop there and we start breaking out again. But really, it's anybody's best guess, and we have to wait for the confirmation either way, right? Do we fall through 245, 240, start slipping back to the low 200s, or do we break out of this little downtrend, if you will? The last 5 days of trading, we've sold off. If we break out of here, man, we could really start going 260 again. Dare I say, 275. So interesting times ahead. Let's just say that. We got, again, all of these news events, the stock's kind of digesting everything going on right now. We're going to have an interesting November for Tesla. We're going to get direction in the stock. Hopefully to the upside, man. You know, at least that's what the bulls are hoping for here. I mean, look, we have a clear ascending triangle overall on Tesla. You guys can see higher lows are being made on the 4-hour time frame here, but at the same time, if I zoom in, we have resistance at 270. We hit this point back in July. We hit it again end of September, early October, and we hit it again just a couple of days ago, end of October. We hit 273. So at this point, again, direction. What direction are we going to pick? Are we going to run back and retest 275? Maybe break out of there and then go to 300. That would be the ascending triangle playing out. Or do we sell off even more now and start slipping back to the low 200s, right? But in my opinion, we're set up for more upside. You know, we're a bit oversold right now. We're right above the moving averages. We have a golden cross. You guys see all of that, right? We have a golden cross right here, which is bullish overall on the 4-hour time frame. So if we're able to get the pop over 250, over 255 again, that would be confirmation, in my opinion, that we're going 265, 270. Then if that were to break, right, 270, 275, that's where the overall $300 level plus could be coming yet again. So, yeah, man, Tesla's looking good heading into this week. We got a bit overbought after earnings, so now we're shaking out weak hands. That's a good sign. So let's just wait and see what happens around these moving averages. We have a golden cross on the 4-hour, but that's not guaranteeing us more upside. It's just not. But we'll wait. We'll set our alerts and be patient. I'm going to put my alert at $255 per share. Mark is at or above, and we'll see if it breaks. If so, we break out of there. I'm thinking 265, 270 is next, maybe even higher, guys. That's what I'm thinking right now. So that's a quick breakdown on Tesla. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'm actually very curious, guys. And feel free to sign up to the email list. If you haven't joined it yet, what are you waiting for? It's completely free. Once you sign up, I'm sending you guys every Monday my top 3 stocks right to your inbox. And did I mention, again, it's free, no spam, no BS, just straight up value. So use that link in the description box down below. Put your first name, put your email address. That's simple. And again, every Monday, top 3 stocks right to your email. I'm sending them to you guys, so make sure to do that. And yeah, Tesla, it's going to be interesting, man. I'm excited. I'm not in the stock right now, but I am considering it as a trade if we're able to break over 255. And I might as well set an alert at 240. Mark is at or below to see if this thing breaks through there and maybe we start slipping for more downside. Time will tell. Time will tell, guys. But that's a quick breakdown here on TSLA. And it had a slight red day this past Friday in the midst of a pretty green day overall for the stock market. Let me read this off to you guys. The Russell on Friday officially closed up 0.6%. NASDAQ went up 0.75%. The S&P went up 0.4%. And the Dow went up 0.7%. And the VIX went down over 5.5%. So Tesla holding up pretty interestingly here, pretty well, in the midst of a rocky week overall for the stock market, guys, where the S&P got hit pretty aggressively over the last couple of days. Triple Q got hit as well after we got earnings from some big tech companies. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. It looks like we're shaping up pretty well across the board here. The bulls are, at least. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube. And shout out to everybody that's joined the Patreon, where I'm posting all of my real-time moves in my Patreon portfolio. I'm putting in money every week. We're buying stocks. You guys see everything going on in that portfolio. Plus, there's a Discord. You get access to me throughout the week and my charts and ideas throughout the week as well. So, guys, if you're interested in the Patreon, it's linked right down below, or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.